Good morning and welcome. My name is Tony Maritato. I am a licensed physical therapist, and in this video, I want to introduce a new course that we're providing. Prior to the current pandemic, orthopedic groups and hospitals used to offer free live training for anyone who had planned to have a total knee replacement. Since the current situation, many of those live classes have been canceled or moved online. So myself and my group, we decided to come together and produce a live training just for you. This is going to cover 3 separate modules. The first module is going to be 6 weeks prior to surgery. What kind of exercises can you start doing to best prepare your body? What can you do around the house, within your social network, to be prepared for basically anything you're going to have to face after surgery? The second module is going to cover the 24 hours before surgery through the 48 hours after surgery. That can be some of the most challenging times, and most of what we want to help you with is knowing what to expect, answering those questions before they arise. The third module covers 48 hours to 12 weeks. And that's going to be almost the entire rehab process. What kind of exercises you can expect to do in physical therapy? What are some options for physical therapy, whether they're coming to your house or you're going to their clinic? And what are some of the supplemental things that you can start doing on your own just to do your best to have the best possible chance of a recovery? We'll talk about the challenges that people face that maybe aren't expected or aren't discussed. And in the training module, my goal is to help you learn from my last 15 years of history. You know, I've been fortunate enough to treat hundreds and hundreds of patients after a total knee replacement over the last 15 years in the profession of physical therapy. And I've learned a lot of lessons by watching my patients face challenges nobody expected. So my goal is to bring some of that experience to you so that if you face a challenge, you have a resource and an answer for that challenge. So guys, if you're interested, check in the video description below. You'll find a link to the registration for the upcoming course. It's going to be this December 2020. And then you can also find information for the replay if you missed this course and you're seeing this video sometime in the following calendar year. But if you have questions, post them in the YouTube comments. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the course. Thanks for watching.